Ever wondered how to make your own delicious chocolate truffles at home? Imagine indulging in rich, smooth, and decadent bite-sized treats that you've crafted yourself. The best part? They're easy to create and can be adorned with a variety of flavors and toppings. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step on how to prepare classic chocolate truffles at home. Before we start, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need finely chopped dark chocolate, heavy cream, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and your choice of coating. As for equipment, grab a small saucepan, heat-proof bowl, spatula, and a parchment-lined tray. Now that we have everything ready, let's move on to the fun part, making the truffles. The first step is to prepare the ganache. Start by chopping the dark chocolate into fine pieces and placing them in a heat-proof bowl. Simultaneously, heat up the heavy cream in a saucepan until it's just about to simmer. Pour this hot cream over the chopped chocolate and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Gently stir until you have a smooth, glossy mixture. Add a dollop of unsalted butter and a dash of vanilla extract, stirring until fully incorporated. Once your ganache is smooth and glossy, it's time to chill it. Once the ganache is firm, we can start shaping and coating the truffles. Scoop out the ganache with a melon baller or a small spoon and quickly roll each portion between your palms to form a smooth ball. Now it's time to get creative with coatings. Roll the truffles in cocoa powder or crushed nuts, or dip them in melted chocolate for a glossy finish. After coating, chill the truffles for at least 15 minutes before serving. These little delights are now ready to steal the show. And there you have it, homemade chocolate truffles. We've journeyed through making a silky ganache, giving it a chill, shaping it into delightful spheres, and finally, coating them for a fine finish. After one last chill, they're ready to enjoy. And if you can resist eating them all at once, these truffle treasures can be stored in the fridge for up to a week or frozen for longer. Enjoy these smooth, rich, melt-in-your-mouth treats. Remember, you can always customize them to your taste. Happy cooking!